Hello everyone, and right here is my payment of $269 paid by ForeMedia recently, December 15, 2022. As you can see the date right at this top right corner here. So this is the payment made by ForeMedia Ads Network. So for many out there saying that ForeMedia is scam, ForeMedia is scam, this is my recent payment of $269.63 from ForeMedia Ads Network. And also in this video here, I'm going to be discussing with you. I'm going to be like explaining to you some reason why you are earning low on your ForeMedia account and different things and others. So just make sure you watch this video to the end and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You should share this video to your friends also. So right here you can see the transaction date right here, 15 December 2022. All right, I was paid 269.63 US dollars and the fee was deducted. Right, so you can see, so I get a total of 257.47 US dollars. So this is the email I received from PayPal. All right, after the payment was made. So I'll be going to uh my ForeMedia account and show you. So this is my account here. So let me just reload so you can see. This is my ForeMedia account. This is my dashboard. So I'm reloading so you can see. Yeah, the recent payment was supposed to be made by supposed to be made through Pioneer, but because of due to some reasons I was unable to receive the payment through Pioneer, so I dropped my PayPal details and it was made to my PayPal account. So let me show you my payment history. As I've received the total amount of $877 so far, and latest payment was issued on December 15, 2022. All right, so let me show you more. Okay, so you can see here it was written here, paper December 15, 269.63 US dollars. So but afterward I received it through paper, but I initially wanted to receive this payment through Pioneer because Pioneer was just introduced, so I decided to try it out, but it was not going through, so I used paper. So let me show you my five payments so far from ForeMedia. So you can see July 18, 2021, I received $105. September 21, 2021, I received $189. December 16, 2021, I received $99. May 25, 2022, I received $220. Then recently, last month, December 15, 2022, I received another payment of 269.63 US dollars from ForeMedia Ads Network. All right, ForeMedia Ads Network. So ForeMedia is 100% legit. So for 100% legit. And for those that have been messaging me that have been making a paid review on for ForeMedia, which is 100% lie. I am not paid any amount. I'm not paid any money to make any review or any positive review about ForeMedia. I only make review about what's working for me, and if it's not working for you, my progress here or my statistics here doesn't determine how you doesn't say you are going to earn just like mine. So your traffic, your country, different factors can determine your earnings in any ad network at all. It might be AdSense, it might be Ezoic, it might be media.net, it might be ForeMedia, it might be AdStera, it might be Propeller Ads. So whatever ad network you are using, just make sure your traffic is very important. The country where the traffic is coming from is another factor, and what device they are using. So those are the factors that can determine your earnings on any ads network. So for those who are saying, you are not earning very well on ForeMedia, you're not earning very well for media. So what I advise you to do is to, if you are on the entertainment niche, just stop using ForeMedia for entertainment niche. Go for a niche blogging source, niche like business, finance. Go for loan, go for review. And according to ForeMedia, in one of their articles, which is already showing on the screen, they said for you to earn reasonably from any ads network, you need at least 5,000 daily traffic. 5,000 daily traffic. So if you're not getting up to 5,000 daily traffic and you're complaining of your earnings in any ads network at all, so the fault is from you. So make sure you get that traffic first before trying to earn from any platform. All right. So this is my payments proof here, and I've showed you. So thanks for watching this video. So if you have any question at all I am yet to answer, just leave them in the comment section. I'm going to answer you all. And before you go, the last question I'm going to answer here is, there was a time I posted on WhatsApp about sites that might not be showing AdSense ads. You know, ForeMedia is a official partner with AdSense. So if you want to, if you currently, recently, according to my research, ForeMedia are not showing AdSense ads on any website that was recently approved from late last year, 2022, to this year, 2023. So even from the beginning, almost like the middle of 2022, ForeMedia are not showing AdSense ads on any websites I have seen. So if you are not earning reasonably from ForeMedia, then you know your ads is native ads or ForeMedia ads. So if you are not getting AdSense ads from ForeMedia, then I don't guarantee you of earning like I do. You understand? So I have two websites. You know, I have 5 websites that shows ads for ForeMedia ads, but only 2 shows ForeMedia AdSense display ads. So if your site is not showing this kind of ads that looks like AdSense, then you might not earn reasonably from AdSense, from ForeMedia rather. So that's all for this video. I'm not paid to make this video. This is a video, a willingly done video. So cross your mind, I don't collect payment for review. All right, so that's the end of this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel right now. Please support me by just clicking that subscribe button, a red button right there, and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified anytime I post another video. So I'll be very active on this YouTube channel, very, very active this year. So make sure you always come back and watch my videos. Many videos like making money online, how you can use different ads network, which I'll be testing also, so and stuff like that. So you can see here on my channel. Just visit my channel and watch most of my other videos, like how you can index your post faster on Google search. Like 5 minutes, your post is already indexed. How you can create a dollar account. Yeah, in for those that are in Africa, you can create dollar account, euro account, and even pounds account, which you can use internationally. So which I'm already using also. I'm already beneficiary of it. All right. So many other videos on my channel which you can watch. Yeah, just watch. And make sure you just give me a comment after watching this video. Just let me know if you have any other question you wish to ask me about ForeMedia. I am ready to answer you all. So thanks for watching my video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I love everyone. Thank you. God bless you.